Good morning, dear children. I welcome you in this virtual class of SST. In this class, we will read about Lesson 3, the Northern Plains. In our prior chapter, we have learned about the first physical division of India, the Northern Mountains. Now, we will start with the second physical division of India, the Northern Plains. So, what we will read today? We will read about location, extent, features of the northern plains. Here, in this map, the shaded portion is showing us the northern plains. As we have already understood the location of northern mountains, they are situated at the extreme north of India, and to the south of these mountains, northern plains are situated. So, where the northern plains are situated? Northern plains are situated to the south of northern mountains. So, talking about the extent of the northern plains, they extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east, covering a distance of about 2400 km. Means, if we measure the length of these plains areas, they extend for 2400 kilometers, and the width varies from 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers. As we can see here, these plains areas are broad at some places and at some places are narrow. So the width varies from 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers. How do northern plains formed? The northern plains are formed by the fine silt brought down by the river originating in the Himalayas, and the Himalayas rivers Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra flow in the northern plains. So which three big rivers flow in the northern plains? That are Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra. The fine silt depositing in the valley is called alluvium. Alluvium soil is the most fertile soil and is good for crops. Alluvium is good for crops, hence the agriculture is the most common occupation here. So that's why the northern plains are thickly populated. Now moving further, I will describe some terms, basin and tributaries. So what is basin? Basically, basin is the area that is watered by a river and its tributary is called its basin. Now what is tributary? Tributaries are small rivers that join big rivers. What are tributary? What are tributaries? Tributaries are small rivers that join big rivers. The northern plains consist of three river basins: Satluj River Basin, Ganga River Basin, Brahmaputra River Basin. And today we will read about Satluj River Basin. Here in this map you can see this is the stretch of northern plains. It can be divided into three parts. So what are these three parts? First one is Satluj River Basin. The second part is Ganga River Basin, and the third part is Brahmaputra River Basin. Now we come to Satluj River Basin. It is formed by river Satluj and its tributary river Beas. The river Satluj joins river Beas in Amritsar, that is in Punjab. So river Satluj joins river Beas in Amritsar. Two states, Punjab and Haryana, are located in this basin. The region faces extreme climate, means very hot in summers and very cold in winters. This area does not receive much rainfall. Now here it's the picture of Bhakra Nangal Dam that is located near the Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. It is to help the farmers in irrigation. The government has built many dams. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on river Satluj. So Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on which river? Satluj River. It provides water for irrigation and to generate hydroelectricity. So it's all about the Satluj River basin. I hope you all understand the concept well. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.